Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add branded content label on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open TikTok application. Once you open TikTok, then you need to click on plus icon in the bottom, and then you need to click on uploads, and then you need to select a random video, and then you need to click on next. Then you need to click on next again, and then you need to click on more options, and here you can see the option of branded content. Click on that, and then you need to click on that option again, and then you need to click on turn on, and here you can select link campaign if you want. So by following these steps, you can easily add branded content label on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.